Blender Geometry Nodes Parametric Design Output.txt data using Python. Access to variables by Python, especially access to the results of complicated Blender node calculations, has been extremely difficult to find. There are also no nodes to create .txt output files from a node tree. I don't really understand why this simple but essential feature or node is not yet implemented in Blender Geometry Nodes. Luckily I found a Python workaround that can access the store named variables, which was crucial for my parametric design setup. The ultimate goal of any parametric design in Blender should be that all the data of the design should be accessible by external systems. The only way to achieve this now is to use Python in the scripting module of Blender. Currently using Python is the only way to export data in a way that any other software, like software for robots, can access and use the Blender geometry node data. I use Python to generate a .txt export file for that purpose. My Python script uses a loop to go through all the objects in the scene and reads the names and numbers of the objects that are used in the outliner. Only when the naming conventions are used without errors, Python can do this without crashing. To run the script, first download the chair.blend file from the link in the YouTube description of this video. Also download the chair Python code text file there. Open the .blend file in Blender and go to the scripting window in Blender. There you use the text open items in the menu and load the chair Python code text that you downloaded. Before you run the script, make sure only the 3 chairs and the global variable sphere are selected. No empties should be selected. Now change line 5 to point the save file to your folder you want the output file to be in. I use Alt-S to save and Alt-P to run my Python script. Make sure your mouse is inside the script window when you use these key combinations and run the script. If everything is okay, you should only see bpy.ops.text.run_script parenthesis under in your Blender console window. You can now open your chair Python text file with a simple editor program and check if it is similar to the chair Python copy text file you also downloaded from the description. If it is similar, it means that the script worked properly. It is also important to select all mesh objects without the empties and also have the global variables sphere selected in your scene when you run the Python script. This is because only the selected objects are processed in a Python run, and the names of the empties will crash the running script. When all that is done without flaws, you will see that Python can generate a .txt file that shows all your input data. This file shows all your 3D pointer data and all your local and global variables. Because the Python script can also access the store named variables, you can now also see these results in your .txt file. I share the .blend file, the Python script file and the .txt output file in the description of this video. This way you can also run the script. If you have any issues running the .blend and Python script file, please use the comments section to tell me what is not working so I can help solving that. Once you see the full parametric design setup working, you will understand how important this system will be for many industrial design and production facilities. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section and please like and share.